Good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait few minutes for rest of the student that they can join. Then we will start the session. Whiteboard is visible for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So today, now we are going to discuss about the logic gate and Boolean algebra. Okay. So
सर लास्ट क्लास में क्वेश्चन रह गया था जो कि लास्ट टाइम पे डिस्कस नहीं हो पाया था।
क्या क्वेश्चन था?
सर वो मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि एक टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट का सब्ट्रैक्शन था और उसका वैल्यू मतलब आंसर में मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था। क्वेश्चन था 206.4 माइनस 507.6। तो इसका आंसर मेरा आ रहा है 301.3 आना चाहिए 301.2।
अच्छा, ठीक है, हम सॉल्व जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व है तुम एक बार व्हाट्सएप में हमको मैसेज करो, हम सॉल्यूशन भेज देंगे। ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके।
So first we will discuss that is logic gate. So what is logic gate? Generally the logic gate are used to logic function, or with the help of, you can say, with the help of logic gate actually we can design the logic circuit. Okay, So for logic gate, there are category. So the first one is that basic gate. In basic gate, there is 3 gates. Under basic gates, 3 gate, that is AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. The second one, that is the universal gate. Universal gate, that is NAND and NOR gate. Okay, and the third one, that is the special gate, that is X OR and X NOR. So before going to these gates, that is basic gate, universal gate, and special gate, first of all, that these logic gates are electronic circuit because they are made up of a number of electronics devices and components. Okay, and here input and the output of these logic gates can occur only 2 levels. These logic gates actually in follows the binary. So binary means 0 and 1. Okay, so these 2 levels here termed as high and low. So when it is high and low, or you can say when you are getting or putting here 1, the 2 levels, that is 1 and 0. So when 1, so in that case you can say high or true or on state, and here it is also low, false, and off. So for the case of logic gates, there are input and output, there are 2 levels. Okay, and these 2 levels is termed as high and low, true or true and false, and on and off. Okay, or simply 1 or 0. Okay, these things. And one thing, for each and every gate you will get a table. So here actually this table which lists all the possible combination of input variables and the corresponding output, and this table is called the truth table. So for each and every gate has one truth table. Okay, so this truth table actually shows how the logic circuit output respond to the various combination of logic level at the input. Okay, and normally we use label logic. So this one here, you can see the 1 is represent the high and 0 is represent low. Okay, so first one, that is the okay, so now we will discuss the each and every gate. So first one is the basic gate. Basic gate, that is the AND, OR, and NOT gate, and the universal gate is the NAND or NOT gate, and the special gate, that is XOR and XNOR. Now the second one, that is the universal gate. Why it is called the universal gate? Because universal gates, that is the NAND or NOT gate. So with the help of NAND or NOT gate, we can implement any type of basic gates, that is AND or NOR. So with the help of NAND or NOR, we can implement the basic gates. Okay, so that's why it is called the universal gate. Now first one, that is the AND gate. So one thing, erases this thing. Okay, so for the case of NAND gate, sorry, AND gate, first we will here discuss that is the AND gate. Okay, so first one is the symbol for AND gate. This is like D. Okay, so here you can see this is okay. So here you can see this is the symbol of AND gate, and here these two A and B are the input pins, and this Y is the output pin. This is two input NAND gate. So you can get n number of input, okay, for the any gate. So suppose n number of NAND gate, n number input of NAND gate. So in that case, like that, suppose A, B, and this is n, but always remember the output is just 1 bit. Okay, so this is the n number of AND gate, and this is the two input AND gate. Now one thing here, actually AND gate, the expression y equals to here A into B. So always remember for the case of AND gate, it is the multiplication functionality. So with the help of AND gate, here the output is A into B. So this expression always remember to write the truth table. Okay, so one thing I am here writing input and output. So input, we have two pins for, because here this is two input AND gate. So this is A and this is B, and here this is y equals to A dot B. Now one thing, so for two input AND gate, how many combination we will get? Any idea?
क्या question है sir?
We have here, we are watching, this is the two input AND gate. So if it is two input AND gate, so now our aim is to write the truth table of AND gate. So can you tell me that how many combination we will write for this truth table?
4.
4, absolutely. So this 4, how we are getting this 4?
2 to the power n.
Yes, 2 to the power n. Here it is 2, so 2 to the power 2 means 4. So this is binary concept. So we have two labels, this is 0 and 1. So I am just writing here the combination. The first one is this 0 0, second one 0 1, third one 1 0, and fourth one 1 1. Okay, so if this is our input, so you already know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here you just tell me corresponding output. So from 0 0, what is the output?
0
0 1
0
1 0 0 and 1 1 1. Okay,
1.
so here you can see this is an AND gate, and this AND gate has two input, and we are getting only one output. And this output assume the logic one state when only the two input bits are in one state. Here two input bits, that is A and B, are in one state. but in the rest of the cases, if any one bit is in logic 0 state, so in that case we are getting output 0. It is clear for all of you?
यस सर।
क्लियर में हम सिंपल में जब 1 1 है इनपुट तभी हमको 1 मिल जाए, किसी एक बिट 0 हो जाने का हो जा रहा है, इसी के लिए हमको आउटपुट में 0 आ रहा है। इट इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Clear, sir.
Okay,
Clear,
so
sir.
this is the truth table of AND gate, and this is the 2 input AND. So I am here not writing the 3 input AND gate truth table. So can you tell me for 3 input AND gate truth table, how many combination we will get?
8.
8, because 2 to the power 3 means 8, so we will get 8 combination for the case of 3 input AND gate. Okay, now one thing, this is the symbol, you already know, this is the symbol of AND gate, and this is the expression for the AND gate. Now one thing, for each and every gate there is a timing diagram. Timing diagram means you can see here there are 4 combinations, but we cannot implement at the same time. We can implement simultaneously, but we cannot implement at the same time these 4 combination. Okay, so here just 1 minute. So here I am drawing the timing diagram. So timing diagram for AND gate. Okay, so suppose here I am roughly here written 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and these 3 are 0 0 0, and this is the 1. Then this is the truth table. Okay, and here this is A, B, and this is Y. Y equals to A dot B. Suppose so here actually 4 combination. This is one thing, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here I am writing time t1, t2, t3, and t4. Okay, how we will draw the timing diagram, just see here. Now that we have 2 input and 1 output, so this is A, this is B, and this is Y. So first one, A is, what is the value for here A? That is 0 0 1 1. You are getting the point? A, under A, what is the value here? This is 0 0 1 1. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So when the 0, so the logic is low, or you can say the label is low. So in that case, it is like that. This is 0. Again, this is 0. Now here this is 1, and again this is 1. So 1 means the logic is high. So here this is 1 and again this is 1. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. Now for the case of B, the combination that is here 0 1 0 1. So here this is 0, this is 1, again 0, and this is 1. So this is 0 1 0 1, and the output that is 0 0 0 1. So this is 0 0 0, and this is 1. Okay, so this is the timing diagram of this two input and gate. So suppose in your exam you can get this type of question, that they can give you the timing diagram of any gates, and they can ask what is the timing diagram of this gate. Okay, so this is the process from you can write any timing diagram of any gates. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
सर
Yeah.
ये टाइमिंग डायग्राम क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है, मतलब इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है
बोल रहे
टाइमिंग डायग्राम से?
हम बोले थे यहाँ पर देखो, टू इनपुट एंड गेट के 4 कॉम्बिनेशन है, ठीक है? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. हेलो हेलो,
यस
sir.
सर.
Yes, sir.
we cannot implement at the same time this 4 combination. Okay, so whenever we are suppose implementing the 0 0 at a time, we cannot implement 0 1 1 0 1 1 at the same time. Okay, so there may be some time difference for each combination. Okay, so that's why we are now here discussing the timing diagram, and from timing diagram you can get one question in your exam. So next gate, the AND gate is over, and one thing I think in your lab session I will.
सर ये टाइमिंग डायग्राम क्लियर नहीं हुआ, क्या बोले?
ठीक है, ये जो हम ड्रॉ किए हैं ये समझ में आया?
यस सर, वो क्लियर.
हम यहाँ पर बोले हैं, यहाँ पर देखो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, ये 4 कॉम्बिनेशन तो है टू इनपुट एंड गेट का. हेलो,
यस सर.
so we cannot implement 4 combination at the same time. There are always a time difference between the 4 combination. लैब पर हम देखेंगे जब हम 0 0 इनपुट दे रहे हैं, इन दैट केस वी कैनॉट इंप्लीमेंट 0 1 1 0 और 1 1. हम 0 0 दे रहे हैं एंड गेट पर आउटपुट हमको मिल रहा है 0, तो इन दैट केस वी कैनॉट इंप्लीमेंट 0 1. Whenever we will implement 0 1 combination, in that case we cannot implement 0 0 1 0 1 1. At a time we can implement only one combination. Now it is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so next is the AND gate is over. Now is the OR gate. Okay, just 1 minute. And I forgot to mention one thing that yes, in the practical exam when we will do in the lab, so in that case you will get a IC to experiment this logic gate. One thing that this IC for each and every gate there is a number. Okay, for AND gate, for AND the IC number is 7408. This is 2 input AND gate. For 3 input AND gate, the value is 7411, and 4 input AND gate, this is 7421. You just remember this value. So from this value, whenever you will get any IC, in that IC, this number is mentioned. So from this number, you can easily imagine that what is this gate. It is AND or something else. Okay. Now this is the OR gate. So first one is the OR gate. OR gate, the symbol. Okay, so this is the OR gate. Again, here you can see there is 2 input and 1 output. For the case of input, there may be n number of inputs, but always remember the output is 1. Okay, and one thing you can see from the AND gate, the multiplication functionality is available, and with the help of for the case of AND, the multiplication functionality available, and for the case of OR gate, the addition functionality is available. Here I have written y, that is the output, y equals to a plus b. Okay, so here one thing, now the truth table, that is a, b, and y equals to here a plus b. This is the input and this is the output. Now again there is 4 combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so from 0 0 this is 0, 0 1 this is 1, 1 0 means 1, and this is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 you got in the earlier you saw that 1 plus 1 means 0, carry 1, but actually here this is the level. So 1 plus 1 means high or positive, so this is also 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for 2 input OR gate. Okay, so this is the truth table for 2 input OR gate. Here you can see that the output assume the logic 1 state, logic 1 state when any one bit is logic 1. If and only if when the 2 bits of input is logic 0, in that case we are getting output logic 0, and the rest of the cases we are getting the logic 1. Okay, it is clear to you? It is clear or not? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so here timing diagram, for timing diagram So A means 0 0 1 1. So this is 0, this is again 0 1 and 1. So this is 0 0 1 1. The next one is B. Under B, this is 0 1 0 1. So this is 0 1 0 and 1. 0 1 0 1, and the output, that is 0 1 1. So this is 0 1 1 and 1. Okay, this is the timing diagram. So this is the concept about, you can say, the OR gate. Okay, the IC number for OR gate.
सर जैसे यहाँ पे आपने ऑर्डर लिया है 0011 ए में इनपुट लिया, तो हम 1100 ले सकते हैं, मतलब ऑर्डर से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना है?
कौन सा बोलो, एक बार बताओ।
ऐसे ऑर्डर लिए हैं आप ट्रूथ टेबल में 0011,
हाँ,
तो यहाँ पे हम
0011
नहीं, ए में सिर्फ हम बोल रहे हैं 00
अच्छा, हाँ, ऑर्डर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा।
और उससे टाइमिंग डायग्राम में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा?
टाइमिंग डायग्राम एक्चुअली, हाँ, हम बोल रहे हैं, तुमका क्वेश्चन में हम समझ में आ रहा है। तुम बोल रहा है सर हम ये ऑर्डर चेंज करेंगे तो टाइमिंग डायग्राम थोड़ा चेंज होगा अकॉर्डिंगली। हेलो,
ओके सर।
suppose you have written 0 0, then suppose 0 1 0 1, suppose 1 0. So corresponding output will be changed. Here this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So when we will draw accordingly this truth table, so timing diagram may be changed because this is 0 0. So when it is 0 0, in that case you can see here, for the case of B, it is little bit different. This is 0 1 1 0, but in the previous case it is 0 1 0 1. Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay, but after finishing any timing diagram, you just go through accordingly your gate or truth table. So with the help of this, you can easily understand what gate it is.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, so at this moment 5 minutes is left, so all of the participants are requested to put your name in the chat box. Anuj, are you there?
Yes sir.
Just take a screenshot, okay, and after the class you just send me.
Screenshot of attendance sir, or what?
Yeah, screenshot of attendance. Okay. I think all of are given. So next is the IC number for OR gate, that is 7432. Next is the basic gate, that is the NOT gate. Okay, so this NOT gate actually called the inverter. So why it is called the inverter? Suppose before going to start here, the symbol of NOT gate. So here, like okay, so here you can see for the NOT gate there is only one input. Okay, there is only one input and there is a bubble. And always remember that in this device the output is always the complement of input. So output is always the complement of input, means suppose here we are giving you in input the A is 1, suppose. So Y, that is A bar, or you can say 0. The complement, what is the complement? Means the opposite. A opposite, A का opposite यहाँ पर A complement. Okay, so यहाँ पर 1, when we are putting 1, so we are getting 0. Suppose here, sorry, suppose here this is a NOT gate. Suppose here we are putting in the input 0. So what is the output? What is the output? हम 1 दे रहे हैं, 1. So हम जब 1 दे रहे हैं हम 0 मिल रहे, हम जब 1 दे रहे हैं 0 मिल रहे, तो हम जब 0 देंगे तो 1 ही मिलेगा. तो suppose our input, that is A. So if it is A, so in that case output is A bar. Suppose it is X, so it is X bar, like that. Okay, so now why it is called the inverter? Inverter, here you can see when we are putting any input, we are getting the opposite of the input. Okay, actually this device or these gates convert or invert the opposite value. That's why it is called the inverter. Suppose in our house we have the inverter. So when the normal power supply is working, in that case I think you know the inverter is not working. But suppose when the power is off, the main power is out, in that case only the inverter is in on mode or inverter is working. So it is interlinked. When the power is off, in that case the inverter switch on, and when the power is on, in that case the inverter is off. Okay, so you just imagine the same thing here.